Alright, today I'm gonna show you how to replace high pressure pump on Land Rover Freelander 1 TD4. Okay, as you can see, this is your high pressure pump there, and I'm gonna also guide you how to find the problem on high pressure pump. Okay, there is a high pressure pump there, which stays there in your engine, as you can see there. Here is it. This is the one we're gonna take off and replace with this one here. Okay, to see high pressure pump when it is not working. Okay, the high fuel pressure, it must be 15,000 kPa on starting. Once the engine started, then it comes down to 3,200 kPa plus minus. Okay, now the only way to see that, you must connect your diagnostic machine and then observe the readings, the high pressure pump readings. And on starting, remember, it must be 15,000 kPa. Once the engine started, then it must come down to 3,200 kPa plus minus when on idling. All right, now I'm going to show you where is the diagnostic plug located. All right, coming from passenger side, as you can see, there is the dashboard, and then you bend down, then there sits your diagnostic plug. All right. As you can see, there's no space here. We have to take this inlet pipe out, and as well as intake manifold out in order to reach there. All right, and also you have to take off the mounting bracket. All right, which I'm gonna show you now. All right, before I strip everything here, I'm just gonna show you, just wanna start the engine and see what it does. Okay, as you can see, the engine is not starting. All right, we're gonna remove this inlet pipe here. This. Right now we have to take this intake manifold out, as well as this and the mounting brackets, which I'm gonna loosen now. All right, now the intake manifold is out off. I'm gonna take out these diesel pipes here, and as well as this injector diesel pipe, so that I can get to loosen there in the pump. Okay, and as well as the mounting bracket. Guys, don't forget to put a jig under, just under the engine, so that when you take out the mounting bracket, the engine doesn't fall. Alright, so I'm gonna take out the engine mounting bracket. Yeah. Okay. There. Off the bracket there. Alright, the bracket is off. Now we have to check a little bit. Check a little bit the engine so that we can have the space to work on there. Alright. As you can see over there where my finger is. Right over there we have number 17 Allen key, as you can see there by my finger. We have number 17 Allen key, which we have to loosen so that we can get to the bolt which holds the high pressure pump. Okay, so I'm gonna loosen that one. I'm gonna loosen that nut over there. It's a 17 Allen key. Okay. As you can see, it's moving there. Alright. Now inside there is number 21 nut, which we must also come loose, which holds the high pressure pump. Alright. And also take this off. Like that. Just put it away from the way. Now there is your high pressure pump now. Alright, before you remove this 21 nut here, we have to first lock the engine. Alright. Yeah. We're gonna take this one out here, as you can see, and then I'm gonna use the bolt because I don't have the crank locking tool. Right, I'm gonna use this bolt here to lock the engine. And remember, when the bolt is in, we're gonna turn the engine. This. Alright, our engine is locked. Okay. Now we can remove the nuts. All right. Okay. Here is the nut. Here's the nut. Okay, after we must now loosen these 10 nuts here. There are 3 of them. One it says there. You can look carefully. There's another one there, and the other one you can't see it because it's under the pump. Alright. This pipe as well. Just wanna take it out from the way. Okay. Plug the plug there. Right. I'm gonna remove the nut under there. Alright. Now I've loosened the 13 nuts here. Okay. Right now, once you remove all 3 nuts, you have now to get the tie lever to take the pump out. But remember, there is a tool which you can put over there, and then it will push the pump away so that it comes out. So unfortunately I don't have that tool. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take the tie lever and remove the pulley. very carefully not to break the guides. Okay. Right now we're gonna use the tile lever to remove the high pressure pump. As you can see there, there it is. Out. You have to take it very responsibly. Alright, there you go. Alright. The nut which we took off, it comes right there. You see. So yeah, that's it. Now we're gonna put this one on. Let's see what it does. Okay. As you can see, the pulley there remains there. Doesn't fall or anything. You can see there. Alright. This okay. Alright, everything is tight here, as you can see, as well as this side here. The cap is on. Alright, now I'm gonna have to plug this regulator plug here. Okay. Alright, there we go. The diesel pipe here. Alright. There we go. As well as here. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna also have to put these diesel pipes here. Now everything is done. These pipes are on, as well as the plug there. You see, this side as well. Now it's time to put the mounting bracket. As you can see there. That. Goes there. There. All right. The mounting bracket is tight. Now we're gonna put our intake manifold, which is here. Okay. Intake manifold is tight. Now I'm gonna put this intake pipe. Okay, now we're done. Don't forget to remove the pin there, the lock. Right. Right now we're gonna start the car. Right. There it is. We are done. Until next time, guys. Bye.